Hi guys, I am back with another video. So I was waiting for everything to arrive um to show you guys all the good things. I was waiting for everything to arrive so I can do this video for you guys. So this is why the boxes are separate and everything. Some of this stuff I had ordered as soon as it released, like the morning of. Like, she had changed uh one of her dates because she was going away, and one of her releases was on a Thursday, um and it was like a Thursday morning. Typically her releases are on like Friday, but this release she had pushed it off. I literally waited. Like, I was at work. I got out to work at 8:30. Her release was at 9, and I was on the site ordering what I needed to order. So I waited, I ordered, and then some of the stuff, the release dates were just different, and I wanted to have everything together so that way I can show you guys all at once instead of just doing a whole bunch of separate videos. So let's get to it and get to opening some of these amazing goodies. So we're gonna start with this one. I have no idea what this one is yet, but I think it is, no, actually I know what this is, and we are going to go with this one here. That one. I'm gonna go with that one, and that one. And then let me just move this box out the way some so we can have a little bit of space for this. And then I'm gonna flip this way just in case there is something in here, which there is. Oh my, we got 1, 2 bags of that. Push that over to the side, and we got no information showing. And let's push this one. Nope, let's push this one over here. We're not gonna do these yet. Sorry for being so undecisive. We're gonna work on this box. Look at this baby. Christmas has arrived early. You hear me? Early. Yes, yes, yes. Look at what we got. You see it? Can you see it? Oh my gosh. And we are going to get ready for 2025, y'all. Oh, man. Look. We're going to put this here. I did order, she had the option for you to order extra paper. Oh, gosh, look at this. Her paper, the quality on her paper is amazing. Look at this baby here. Look. Oh my gosh. That is a beautiful box. And we are going to open it. Yes, we are. Because we have to see it. I know this noise is amazingly annoying. But when it comes, it is, I guess it is not put together. She gives you the option for you to satisfyingly do that yourself. And then we're gonna move this one over here to the side. And let's get in here. I'm gonna set these over here so that way. And your word is my lamp for my feet and a light on my path. And then you have, oh my, look at her paper, is absolutely amazing. And you got your date, your prayer requests, answers, and then you have the same. And then, oh man, I can just, this is why I am going to go into a classic. You got your clear discs. For by grace you have been saved through faith. Ephesians 28-10. And the Holy Bible is right in front. And this is going to be my planner. Oh, I didn't show you guys. You can do so many things with this. Like, you can literally, I don't think you can, but you can figure it out. Oh, it's a given. Okay. Well, yes. So let's get back into it. Oh man, look at this. Oh man. Oh look. I am such a horizontal girl. Like, this is just so me. The horizontal. And then you got, let me see. You have, let's do that over. You have, let me see if how many of these you get. You get a 1, 2, 3, you have 4 days of the week. And this one says, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. And this is Philippians 4-13. And then I believe it repeats this month. And then, yep. And then this one is going to be, cast all your anxiety on him because he cares about you. 1 Peter 5-7. And you have that one. Then you get same thing. Let all that you do be done in love. Yes. This is a little bended. No. It's okay. It's okay. And then this one is, trust in the Lord with all your heart. Lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge him. He shall direct your path. And this is Proverbs 35-6. And then this one says, your word is my lamp for my feet, a light on my path. Yes. This is Psalms 119-105. And then you have, let everything that has breath praise the Lord. And this is Psalms 150-6. I will seek your face. Praise him. And then encourage each other and build each other up. Yes. Yes. And this one is, when I am afraid, I put my trust in you. And this is Psalms 56-3. And then, whatever you ask for in prayer, believe that you have received it, and it will be yours. And this is Mark 11-24. And this one is cute. May God give you all the desires of your heart. Make all your plans succeed. poems 31 through 5. And then we have commit to the Lord whatever you do. He will establish all your plans. And then the last one is a Holy Bible devotional, Christ is Risen notes, Bible studies, and sermon notes. Oh my, her paper though. Oh my gosh. This is for your notes. You got a couple of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it looks like 6, and then you have some lines. But that dark red, that dark red. And then that is that. I'm gonna put that away for right now. And then we will get into planning a life I love. So I did order the one with extra, where you can get the extra budget tracking sheets, and you get 60, 12 of each design, double-sided, and then they're pre-punched. And this is going to help me organize my whole entire life for 2025. And I'm so excited. Look at expense tracker. I'm not going to get into that right now, but I will get straight into the book. And then I know this is annoying, so we'll try to speed this up as quick as we can so you guys can see. So we get look at how pretty. Oh my. And it's in black. The discs are black. That's your front and your back. And it says a budget is the first step towards financial freedom. The more money works for you, the less you have to work for money. And then this is your year, planning a life I love. It's the 12-month undated budget planner. And then when we first get into the book, you have all the things. You have 2 of these, of which you can do anything with, because, you know, if you don't, which I'm not, but this one says annual financial goals. This year you want to, and then how I will achieve these goals. And this one goes from January to December. Yearly recurring expenses from January to December. And then you have these, which I love. So the bill that's due, the auto pay, the due date, the date paid, the amount paid. And then it goes from January to June on this page, July to December on this one. And you got your subscriptions, subscription trackers, the quarterly expenses, the annual expenses. This budget planner was so well thought out. Do you know how many times I have printed printables to get all of this? How much ink, how much paper, how much, like, and this is everything that is needed in one, yeah. And then you have your retirement and savings and your donation. The date, the account, the contribution, and the balance. The date, the charity, the donation, and the amount. And here we are going to do great things with this here. And then it goes on to the next month where it's the income, which I feel like I need more space for that. But the variable expenses, the bills and the fixed expenses, debt, and then the summary. But we're gonna make a space for this. We're gonna create a separate space for that and do like, because even here you can do like the income tracker for like, I've seen like videos and stuff of her doing that, and you can do that. Here is your monthly expenses. This is the part I love here. So, you know, I literally seen someone like waste this whole page. And I said, what are you doing? But to each his own. Don't be judgmental. You know, some things can work for you and not everything works for everyone. And then you have the 30-day saving challenge. The total saved. Do not save what is left over after spending, but spend what is left after saving. A year from now, you will wish you had started today. And then it just goes on to the next month. The same thing. The same thing. And then the same thing. Then we're going to put that, and that back. And then we're going to go into the bill stickers. And then here you have your bill due total. You can put that in. And then you can put, if paid, if it's auto paid, and you have that in green, in yellow, in pink, in green, yellow, and pink again. And put your paydays on here. And then you have that in orange, in red, orange, yellow, and then red, orange, and yellow in paydays. And then it goes, you get the green ones, the minty colors, the blue. You get 2 of those. You get your blue, your purple, your pink, and then your blue, purple, and pink paydays. And then you get your pink. This is like a peachy, a yellow. You get 2 of those. You get some more. And they're all just in the colors. In the different colors. Those are your options. Then we put that in there. And then we have the paper, which is absolutely amazing. The must do, the should do, and the wanna do. And then your notes. And then we'll open this. And see what goodies we have in here. Oh, these are our extra papers. Dock grid. This dock grid is amazing. I wasn't. No, this is the 6th one. Undated. Yes. Let's go. We got plenty of paper. Let's go in here. See what's in here. And it looks like we have multiples, so we'll take that out. We'll take that one out because that's a multiple. And then we will take that one out because it's a multiple. And we will work on these. So this one is going to be the Dated Basics. And here are our dates. We got New Year's Day, Martin Luther King, Valentine's Day, Chinese New Year's. And we get one of those in black, and then we get a color. We got National Sticker Day, all your days, National Macaroni and Cheese Day, Planner Day, all your days. We get that in black and then color. And then we have, for our undated, we have our monthlies in different fonts. January through December, and then January through December in our different fonts. And we get black, we get some colors, we get some more colors, and this font is my favorite. This one here. And this one. Well, they all are beautiful. That in black and then in color. And we get the smaller ones, the itty bitty little ones. We get those in black and then color. And then we have like trackers, monthlies. We got monthlies. We get that in black and then color. And all the days in black and then in color. 2025, 26, and 27 in black, and then we get color. These are some more monthlies in different fonts. We get them in black and then color. And then some more days of the week in black and then in color. Some more numbers that you can color in. Some more numbers in color. Some more numbers. That screams fall to me. And then that is that. We'll put that there. And then we have favorite florals. And these are 550 stickers. And our first one is beautiful. Look at those florals. This is on paper. More paper. It's beautiful. More paper. Beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful. Halloween. Your pumpkin. More paper. Look at that blue. Beautiful. You get 2 of these. And then 2 of those. And 2 of these. Beautiful. And then we got this one, the watercolors, boxes, and florals. Let me take a sip of my coffee. Volume 3. And then you get your boxes. As soon as you open her up, you get your boxes. And look at these floral. So these are on transparent. Yeah, you got your big boxes, your bigger boxes, your smalls, and then your bullet points and your checklist. And then here you got some more beautiful florals. Oh, you guys, look at that blue. I got a mess over here that I just need to look at this. Oh man, this doesn't, like, look at that. It doesn't, like, that is beautiful. Oh God, and then you get like your corners and your little smaller ones. Look at that purple. Like I'm just growing into this purple. Look at that, is beautiful. Beautiful. Some more boxes. Oh my Jesus. And then we got one more. One more will do on this one. And these are your daily habit trackers. Important today's tasks tomorrow. Don't forget work, kids, family meals, and highlight of the day. Oh my, look at that purple. And that orange is just something beautiful. You get some more habit trackers and your boxes. These are on paper. Some more you get on paper. Oh my. Some more on paper. Beautiful. Success is the sum of small efforts, repeated day in and day out. It's okay to only plan one day at a time. Wake up with determination. go to bed with satisfaction. Yes, sorry, satisfaction. Don't run a good day today by thinking about a bad day yesterday. Let it go. And then these are your today's priority to do. Important. Top 3. Don't forget tomorrow. Top tasks, errands, chores, upcoming laundry, pay bills, deadline, schedule, meal plan, appointments, meetings, tonight, grocery list, shopping list, exercise, me time, and self-care. And you get 2 of those. And that is it, you guys. Bye.